Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a subscription on Ubisoft Plus. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which, in order to subscribe to Ubisoft Plus, you can click on the Ubisoft Plus icon at the left tab, which will show you the details on the various things that are included with the Ubisoft Plus subscription. You may choose from a monthly or yearly plan, and you can click on the See Games Included option to see all of the games that are included within each of the subscription plan. Once you have decided whether you would like to go for the Classics or the Premium plan, go ahead and click on Choose this plan option, and you will now be asked to choose from credit card or PayPal. If you have already added your payment information, which is usually a credit card, you may click on the option and automatically move forward with your previously filled information. You also have the option to pay using PayPal, and once you choose either one of these methods, you can fill up the billing information. And finally, after clicking on the checkbox for the terms and conditions, go ahead and click on Pay with PayPal or your credit card in order to start subscription. You may also use a promo code or a creator code in order to get some discounts underneath the summary box. Once you verify your payment information by using your credit card or PayPal account details, and your payment has been verified, your subscription to Ubisoft Plus will be approved right away. And now you will be able to enjoy all of these games that are within your package on your library. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to subscribe to the Ubisoft Plus service. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.